Hi, and let me share with you a concept that I call the present time. When we can feel the moment of now, today, breathing, smelling, enjoying life, the sunshine, then you're living now in the moment. There's a problem when people feel I will be alive then, when I have $1 million, when I'm married with a full set of kids, when I've got whatever it may be, knowledge, information, a title, and they're missing the 3-4 years, the now, because the then, and what happens is when you speak to those people, the then never comes, because at that time they have a much bigger concept, a much bigger goal. So they never enjoy the moment, they never feel they're alive, they don't just stop a moment and feel life, appreciate what they got. The benefit of living in the present time is taking a moment, feeling it, seeing the now, and you actually feel a worthwhile in your everyday. So feeling the now, feeling the present time is the power. The exercise is pick three things that you can enjoy today. Will you enjoy the sunshine? Not in the future. Even if it's a goal in the future, the second thing could be, how can I enjoy the steps that I'm taking today? So let's say someone wants to be a medical doctor, it's 4 years or 7 years of college to get there. But can they enjoy something today? That today they learned to give stitches. Today they learned how to listen to a kid's chest, and while they hear the heart beating. How can you enjoy the now in the step of the process? And the third one is know that there's always a later, there's always something more to get done. So enjoy the now. Take the time now. Make it a great day.